In the next series of tutorials, I'll be talking about form validation. The first thing I would like to take care is, if you submit the form without any entry, you can see that we're having some errors. So because we are passing in a null value as an array in display array information, so you have to ensure that the input is always an array. So how do we do that? So let's check our form processor. So this function must always take in an array, but in some cases you're having a null value. So what we can do is to remove this array, because we can also expect to see a null value. So but to run this for each, you have to ensure that this is an array. So to do that, we have a function to check if the value is an array. That is, if is array our variable, which is $selection. If this is an array, then run this piece of code. Otherwise, you are not running anything. So you can just indent the code. So we have something like this, and this should be A. Okay. So with this, we are very sure that this piece of code will only run if the input is an array. So let's try the same process now. Okay, let's refresh and try to submit now. So now we are not getting any error. So there is no error.